Hi and welcome everyone. And my name is again Robert Mardirosyan, and I'm sure most of you know me, and I know you too. This is the second video I'm making, and I made one for our tutoring center, the Pi Shop, and how you can share the information to your students to use our tutoring services. And again, I'm not alone in this. There we are three or four faculty members. We always have meetings, organize it, and I just volunteer to make the videos. So welcome again. And I have another announcement for this video, and that's our math workshops. We decided to offer math workshops for different math classes this semester. Now, the purpose of this video is to show you how you can share those workshops with your students. So let's start from there, and I'm gonna go over the name of all the professors who are doing this. How you can find out where the workshops are and how you can share that with students. Please watch carefully. I do it a couple of ways, and you can just pick the one that is convenient for you. So where are the workshops? Let me share LACC screen. And again, if I'm looking around, because I'm just trying to share different screens. There we go. This is our LACC's website. I'm sure you're all familiar with this. How do we get to those workshops? You can go to academics here, click on that, and of course, academic departments, and you can click on mathematics. And I would suggest you to go over this page. It's done very nicely. Professor Lam worked very hard on this page. And basically you have all the info here for PyShop. And again, today's topic is math workshops. Let me click on that. If you go to this page, you are gonna see the date. September is there of all the workshops and the professor who is gonna conduct it. I already had one with my students. That was the first week. It was a trial and it worked out pretty well. And that was for Math 236. Now, here we have Professor Huang Duang, and she's gonna be doing Math 245 and Math 260. Professor Megan Khatunabadi is going to do Math 227. And as you can see, the dates are there, the time is there for each workshop, and the professor's name. And Professor Kilam is going to do Math 261 and Math 262, I believe. Yes, it's we have it here. So please check this schedule. It's pretty straightforward, and you can share it with your students. Now, how the workshops are run, it all depends on the professor. We decided those workshops are not tutoring sessions. So for example, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna lecture, maybe show a couple of videos. Then after that, I decided it's hands-on, and then put a problem, ask the students to do the problem and rework the problem with them and show them all the solutions and so on. So again, it all depends how the professor wants to run it, but I'm sure it's going to be very helpful for students who participate. So encourage your students to participate to those workshops, please. Now, another way you can share this with your students, let me stop sharing the website, and I'm going to share my Canvas with you. So it's right there. Now I'm teaching Math 236, and I already put that in my syllabus. So if I click on the syllabus, and it's right here, math workshop. So if the students click on that, they can, this is a link. So they can click on this link, and it takes them directly to our math department website or the page. And they can check the work sites and go from there. The link to participate to the workshops is right here, the Zoom link. And I'll Also, I put it here too. Now, if you want to share this page with your students, and again, just like I did for our pie shop, you can go to the home page and you can say import from Commons. And on the top, type my name, Robert Mardirosyan. And again, these are the pages I shared to Commons. And there are a lot of them right now. That's all because of the pandemics. And here you can see Mac workshops. Click on that and you can import that to all your classes, the classes that you're teaching. So let's say if I want to import it to Math 258, I can say import. Again, it takes a little while, but let's go ahead to see if we have it. Now, if I click on Math 258 and on the syllabus, and if I want to upload that here to my syllabus, I can say add. And again, that's a page I made. You go to pages, and if you scroll down, you can find it, math workshops, and I can say add item. There we go, it's added. So now my 258 students have that too. So you can do it this way if you would like to, or you can directly send your students to the school website and tell them how it works. Please share the information with your students. I'm sure it's going to be very successful and a great help for them. Thank you for watching, and hope you're having a great semester. Have a good one, everyone.